car gets really hot. Let's see. It's not really that bad. It's not that bad. Let's see, on. Full cat, same thing. That was a little more obvious than this side. When it was cold, it wasn't so bad though. So I'm thinking both full cats got in there. So it's a good time for that to happen.